Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets. In this tutorial, I will show you everything about the login widget. Also, we will create those cool sections using this awesome widget. I'm Fad Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description. Alright, so this is the login widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. Okay. So here is the username or email address option, and here is the input box, and here is the password, and here is the password box. Then remind me. Then the login button here, and here is the lost your password link. If you lost your password, you can recover it by clicking this link. Okay, let's see what options we have. The first option is form fields, and here is the label. By default, the label is show. We can hide those label. See, the label is gone. We can show it. The input size, this input size, we can make it medium or large, extra large, small. Then here is the button option. Here is the button text, log in. You can change the text from here. Then here is the button size, small. You can change the button size from here. Here is the button alignment, left, center, right, trace. For now I am selecting the left. Then here is the additional options. Here is the first option is redirect after login. When you put your username and password and hit to the login button, it will stay the same page, but if you want to redirect another page, you have to turn it on, and you can set the link here. Like if we put our homepage link here and update it. Now preview it. See, here is no login option because I am already logged in. If I copy the link and open with a new private window, see, now here is the login option. If I log in now, remember me, login. See, it fly me to our home page. Now close this. We can turn on or off it. Like the same way, redirect after logout. When someone log out, they will see the same page, or you can select any custom page link here. Then here is the lost your password option, show or hide. This option, we can hide this or show this. Then here is the remember me. By default it's show. We can hide it. Then the login message, this message, we can hide it from here. Then here is the custom label option. It is turned off, we can turn on it. Here's the password, email address, we can change those from here like this way. Okay, now we'll go to the style tab. Here is the row gap option. Then here is the link color, this link color. We can change the color from here. See, it's changed. Now the link hover color option, we can change red. Okay. Then here is the label option, space between the label and the input. We can change the text color from here. Then here is the typography option. We can change the font size, font weight, or anything we want. Then here is the field option, text color of the field. We can change the text color of the field from here. Then the typography, we can change the font size or font weight, text transform. Then here is the border color option. We can change the border color from here, border width, Then here is the border radius option. Then here is the button text color. We can change the text color from here. Typography, we can change the typography from here. Text transform uppercase, that is spacing 5. Okay, then here is the background color option. We can change the background color. Then here is the border option, and here is the padding of the button. Next, here is the logged in message. This message, we can change the color or typography from here, black, or we can change the typography from here, font size or font weight. We can see nothing here, but if we update and if we refresh this one, we will see the change here. And here is the advanced option as well. You can change the margin, padding, background or animation from here. Fade in or fade in left, like this way. Okay, cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel. Now let's create. We will take a new section here. We will make it full width and we will set a height here, fit to screen. Okay, we will create a login page design here. At first we will duplicate this column 3 times. Now again go to the column edit section. We will go to the style tab. We will set a background here. We will select this one. We will make it center, default, no repeat, cover. Okay, now we will add a overlay, gradient. Okay, we'll change the angle and opacity 0.7. Okay, now we will edit this column. We will set a background here, white. Okay, that's it for now. I am going to the elements. I will take an image here. I will select this image. I will make it full. Then go to the size, pixel 100. Okay, then I will drag a heading here. Then I will go to the style tab, color, I will make it black. Then I will go to the typography. I change the font weight to light and we will make it center. Letter spacing will be 2 or 5. Then I will drag another heading here. I will change the text. I will make it to A6 and center also. Let's change the color. This one. Typography, font weight 400. Letter spacing 2, font size 12 pixel, advanced, margin top minus 10 pixel. Okay, now we will go to the element and we will search for login. We will drag it to here. Sorry, I got a mistake. I will drag it to top. Okay, now I will edit this one. As the form field, input size, I will make it extra small. Then here is the button option. I will make it also extra small. Now I will leave it and go to the style. Row gap 10 is fine. Label, I don't want those label here, so I will go to the content, and from here I will hide those label. Okay, now we will go to the style tab, fields, border width 1, and border color will be black, border radius will be 3, and button we will set the background color, this one. Then we will go to the typography, text transform uppercase, font weight 600, and letter spacing 2. Here is the border radius option, we will make it 3. Then here is the link, we will change the link color, this one or this one. Now we will go to the column, go to the advanced tab, we will set a padding 50 pixel, and we will go to the style, border, we will set a border radius here 5 pixel. Then we can decrease the column width this way, dragging this. Okay, it's looking nice now. Let's save it and click to the preview icon. Let's go here. Okay, I'm already logged in. Now I am going to copy this link and open it new private window. See how cool it's looking now. This way you can create a login page or a login area in your page. Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the make my website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the submit request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.